You know what works. I'm willing to guess if you've been trading for more than a year or two, you've probably come across a profitable strategy, probably a couple of them. You already know what to do in all likelihood. If you're not profitable, chances are it comes down to risk management or execution, or some combination of unrealistic expectations. Chances are what you're doing already works. Whether you're scalping or doing breakouts, I'm only trading Bollinger Bands. That's hardly revolutionary. But one of the reasons I'm able to set it and forget it is I know over time I'll win more trades than I lose. And those winners will always be more than my losers. The math works, so it's easy for me to walk away. Chances are what you're doing works too, whether you're trading trend lines or breakouts or simple moving average crossovers. Moving average crossovers have been working forever. People continue to do them because they continue to work. Now, do they work all the time? No, nothing works all the time, and that's a big problem with trading. I bet orbs. I bet orb strategies, opening range breakouts, did pretty well over the last 12 months. But in this market, I'm willing to bet they didn't do as well. When markets are choppy or not really going anywhere, it's hard to make a trend trading strategy work. It's hard for a breakout strategy to work when breakouts aren't really going anywhere, right? So that's one of the cruxes of trading. There's lots of things that work, but nothing works all the time, which is something I've come to terms with and I understand. But I think when you're newer and you really need the money or you need it now or you're trying to pass an evaluation, it's hard to understand that or hear that. You don't want to hear that, oh, my strategy works most of the time, but it's not working this month. You may have bought an evaluation this month and you need it to work right now. But the reality of trading is your approach might not work right now or today or this week. It might work next week just fine. It might be awesome next month. But just because it's not working right now doesn't mean it doesn't work. I don't know whether I'm going to win today. Maybe I will, maybe I won't. I know I'll most likely win the next week. I know I'll almost certainly win over the next month, but it might not be today. And I've come to terms with that. And you need to come to terms with the inherent uncertainty in trading as well. That's why discretionary traders tend to do better, especially if you're a discretionary scalper, because you can more easily adapt to the market, which brings me to my next point. You may know something that works, and just because it doesn't work right now, it doesn't mean you need to hop on the next shiny object, because then you got to start from scratch and learn something all over again. And then by the time the market changes, the time you learn it, the market may have changed, and then you're back to square one with something that doesn't work all the time. So you already know how to be profitable. In most cases, you just need to firm up your risk management so you're not losing too much when things aren't popping off. And you need to understand that growing an account takes time. And if you're going to be in this for the long haul, you got to be able to weather the drawdowns. All right, let's get to the day. All right, good morning. Welcome to Prop Firm Dreams. So far, we don't have anything popping off just yet. It is Monday, and it is the top of the hour just after 9 o'clock. Right now, we kind of got a choppy sideways action here going on the 6E as well as the ES. We had the big sell-off on Friday, and so if I had to guess, I would say that ES is probably going to have a continuation at some point. Right now, it's an inside day, and maybe it stays that way, but either way, no setup for me. We'll check back in at 9:30 market open. All right, we're back to the top of the hour here just after 10 o'clock. We had a nice breakout on ES, so congratulations if you're a breakout trader or orb trader, but I am a mean reversion trader, so this isn't going to work for me, and it doesn't look like there's much going on in 6E either, so yeah, 6E is staying pat, not doing much. So not real optimistic about the day. We'll check back in at 10:30. If we don't get anything by 11, we'll call it a day and shoot again for tomorrow. Actually, I don't think I'm going to trade on Tuesday. We'll try again on Wednesday. All right, it's just past 10:30. We are back. It doesn't look like we're going to get a trade today. 6E is just chopping sideways. ES has broken out. Yes, and NQ has continued their trend down, and I'm definitely not interested in going long and on a day like today. So don't expect I'll get anything. I'll check back in at 11, but if you don't hear from me, it's a wrap. Hopefully you guys caught some of this bearish action today. You could have got in here at the breakout. Whew, that would have printed. If I don't see you at 11, I'll see you on Wednesday, and hopefully everyone had a good day. Peace.